Hi, my name is Nick and welcome to Tom and Masano AutoPark. It's a slow day today, so I want to show you a tour so you can see some things around we have in here. You'll see this beautiful, well-presented showroom we have. There's lots of plants. You know, we like to breathe oxygen. We have our little fishies here. Come say hi to Cheeto. He's feeling social right now.
What's up, Cheeto?
Usually he likes to hide. You have a little play area for some of the kids here. You have movies, as you'll see, The Simpsons. It's another relaxing area. You have some arcade games here. I'm telling you right now, if you come here and challenge me on one of these games, I'm trashing you. I don't care who you are, how old you are, I'm trashing you. All collectibles that we have right now, some of the owners and some of the owners' friends that they have purchased. And it's kind of having a showroom. You see our clearance areas getting a little switched up. And this nice, amazing cardio-induced hill that we have. But it's okay, it keeps you in shape though, you know? Look at it. More music. And in here you'll see a lot of the posters of how Tom and Masano AutoPark has developed over time, as well as some of the other locations. Some pictures of our Mercedes, BMW locations, as well. It gives you an idea what this used to be. It was a brass manufacturer when it was back in 2015 they purchased it and then revamped it into this. Now the next area we're going to is something I like to say, this is our second introduction to all our vehicles. And believe me, it's breathtaking. Check it out. And here you have BMWs, Maybachs, Mercedes, Broncos, G-Wagons. We got some comic book strips, more plants as well. All kinds of luxury vehicles that we have here for you. Come check it out. It's amazing. Let's go see more. Here's something that's just mind-boggling to me, this picture here, because every time you see it, it's always something different or new that you haven't seen before. Now here's another section we have for storage of BMWs, Mercedes. We have some vehicles coming into the service area, going through the 138 inspection to make sure it is up to being retailed by our preferences. If it doesn't meet our standards and preferences, go straight back to the auction. So you'll see that. You'll see Scooby-Doo in the back as well. And we have a mixture. It's not all gas. There are hybrids and electrical vehicles here as well, and charging stations. So make sure you get a full tank of gas and a full battery. And let's not forget the legendary Shinron. First off, this is a beautiful moment. Can't forget about Shinron. It's Dragon Ball Z. Everybody loves Dragon Ball Z. So a lot of these vehicles are getting purchased by clients. They're either getting shipped out or they're coming in to pick it up. And if you see down that way is our water station that we have a own distillery here for water. You get it shipped in from a spring, clean it up, and ship it out to other dealers, stores, and hotels. And we have some downstairs so you can try it. It's beautiful. Now this is another luxurious area that we have here. This is a lot of our Maybachs, Mercedes, electric cars, BMWs, some more pictures of some actors and actresses. We have one of our drivers here, Robbie, legendary here, getting that business in, yeah. Abbey Road. This was hand painted, by the way. It's not sprayed on, this is hand painted. It took a while. That's some talent right there. You gotta respect it. And the fact that Paul still doesn't have no shoes on, but we'll talk about that. Go look at the other video, find out why. And up here you have our Recon. Basically a detail department, more plants. All the vehicles get cleaned up, vacuums, polished, buffs, all kinds of scrapes and stuff get taken care of up here. Now this area we have here is the next vehicle coming in line to get cleaned up in the Recon. Or in our bumper room, we take care of all the minor scratches, blemishes, any kind of dents, take care of here, sand it down, repaint it so it looks nice and beautiful for you. And something that we have here is a garden as well. So come inside and check out the garden that we have here. smells good in here. You have all types of vegetables, flowers. A lot of this gets donated to not just us, the employees at Tom Masano, but actually to the shelter and the community that we have here. So you'll have your cabbages, red cabbages, tomatoes. You have cilantro, basil. This is what we have here. And this all started from the owner's daughter starting a senior project. And look at it now. And this is our star player, Tommy. Yeah, Tommy gets the work done, gets the job done. There we go, gets the job done. So you see all kinds of stuff in here. We have a sanding room, painting room. This is the process that gets done to make sure the vehicle is nice and neat. Take all the blemishes out. Thank you for joining with this rough tour. Please come on down and come check us out. You can either come on down, or you can check out cars online or order a vehicle online through our Rev website. And subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.